Imagine a bank vault that requires two keys turned simultaneously to open, just like the movies. Well, that's what we're doing here, but on blockchain. A 2 of 3 multi-sig setup requires approvals from any 2 of 3 designated accounts to authorize actions. This approach distributes control and reduces the risk associated with a single point of failure. Unlike some blockchains that rely on external smart contracts for multi-sig functionality, XPR Network has this feature built in. This means no third-party dependencies, no additional gas fees, simplified setup directly within the block explorer itself. Multi-sig is not an add-on. It's a core protocol level feature, native to every XPR Network account. Go to webauth.com, create a new account, and securely note down the seed phrase. Let's create 3 signer accounts: MySafe1, MySafe2, and MySafe3. Optionally, for enhanced security, you can associate each account with a YubiKey. Now let's secure your main account. Visit explorer.xprnetwork.org and log into SafeMaster or your main account that you want to secure. Navigate to Wallet, Keys and Permissions, switch to the Advanced tab, and under Active Permission, remove the existing keys. Add MySafe1 at active, MySafe2 at active, and MySafe3 at active. Remember, these are going to be your own names. Don't enter these names here. Use your own account names that you set up earlier. Set the threshold to 2, save, and approve the changes. By setting the threshold to 2, we are setting it so that we need 2 signers to approve the transaction before we can execute it. Log in as your MySafe1 account and propose a transaction from your master account. To do this, make sure you are signed in as one of your signer accounts. For example, I'm using MySafe1 and logging into the Explorer with that account. Make sure to turn on multi-sig mode here in the account drop-down menu. Then when we go to make a transfer from the wallet section, it will take us to the multi-sig proposal page. On this page, we want to set the authorization to the account we are sending from. Ensure the from field says SafeMaster or the account we're sending from, and check the to address and other information is correct. When we scroll down to the requested approvals, we can see the 3 accounts that we added under the active permission on the SafeMaster account. These are the 3 signer accounts from which at least 2 must approve a transaction before we can execute it. If these are not automatically populated, you can add them manually yourself. Now click Propose and sign from your MySafe1 account or whatever account you proposed with, then click the link it gives you here. Before you click on Approve, make sure to turn the multi-sig mode off now from the account dropdown, as we are signing as individual accounts now. Approve from MySafe1, and then I'm going to log into MySafe2 and approve the transaction just like before. Generally, these are 2 different people in 2 different locations. Once 2 approvals are in place, you can execute the transaction. This confirms that your multi-sig setup is functioning correctly. While we've secured the active permission, the owner permission still holds the ultimate control. To secure it, import your owner private key into Anchor Wallet. Simply repeat the earlier steps to set up a 2 of 3 multi-sig for the owner permission. This ensures comprehensive security for your account. Here we're going to set the 3 signer accounts just like before. And remember to set the threshold to 2 so that we need at least 2 signer accounts to approve a transaction before we can execute it. Congratulations! You've now secured your XPR Network account with a native 2 of 3 multi-sig setup. For more tutorials and updates, subscribe to our channel and visit xprnetwork.org. Thanks for watching.